bunny. On your side though, bunny. Get going, get going. Come on. Smells something. Oh, got her attention. Oh, here she comes. Full-on border collie. Well, we can camp here. Or do you want to camp like by the...
Well, I'd kind of like to be
on the river there?
Well, just because we're cooking everything right there. So,
yeah.
right?
Okay.
Right by the fire pit.
The tent opens your side, right?
It flips. Yeah, ladder's on my side. So you could just nose in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to find my... Okay, so we took a little detour off the highway here and come and looked at Nickerman Falls, which is right here. So I'll buzz the drone up there. It's a beautiful day, good flying weather, and we'll have a closer look. We can't get too close to it from where we are, but from here it looks absolutely gorgeous. Huge waterfalls. So we'll fly up there and have a little look. Oh, where's Buffy? There you are. Stop off the highway and took some drone footage of some cool waterfalls. I tried to get in there the best I could. Kind of lost satellite signal, a bit sketchy in there because it's around a corner and in a cave kind of spot. Super windy and stuff like that, but I think I got some good footage, so I hope so. I'd like you to enjoy it as much as I did. Anyway, we're on our way to yet another waterfall, one that we've never been to before. Yeah, are you excited, Buffy?
Yes.
I understand there's some off-roading we might have to do to get in there, but so be it. Just adds to the fun. Anyway, come on. Did you subscribe yet? I feel like I keep asking you guys. Just put up your hands if you subscribed. Have you subscribed? There's 2 of us. All right, so we made a little stop here. We are traveling between cities and towns to go search for some waterfalls. Stopped at a little river spot here. And yeah, everybody's just taking a break, enjoying the sights, getting visited by a helicopter. That's pretty cool. Really nice spot. Anyway, had a good sleep last night. Friend of ours, Shug in the Bronco there, he has a chunk of land, about 11 acres. So on a long weekend, it's just, there's nothing on it. It's just land on the river. So we camped there last night. Kind of keeps us all to ourselves there. And long weekend, it's hard to get a spot sometimes when you're not off grid too far. But yeah, we made it work, obviously, and enjoyed it. And here we are, looking for a waterfall. Hopefully we'll find it soon. Thanks for stopping in. We're about 20K up in FSR, working our way up to another waterfall. And man, it's sure pretty up here. Have a look at this. This is where the river flows into a lake and then flows out the other side. It's pretty cool. There's the lake. And you start to get a current, and up the river you go.
figured out. It's a big can of worms. Sometimes it hurts to even think about it. We should throw it out. I see you sitting on that couch again with fucked up feelings, too scared to just admit. We both knew the dog was at our house, but kept it on the outside. But since we called it quits, I'm better than I've ever been. Better than I've ever been. Don't get me wrong, I'm not holding on to some bitterness. I swear I hope you're doing as well as I am. No more pretending we don't see it ending at all. No more lying to each other's face. Might be to see you down the road again in a different lifetime. But till then I just won't say that it's alright. And I hope you get to find some.
That's it.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, look at it. It is huge. Holy shit. That's gorgeous, honey. Yeah, get pulling up to it. Wow. Wow. Definitely worth it. Well, honey, what did you think? Grizzly Falls. Pretty spectacular, right? Worth the drive, Shug?
It's shook with Waterfall talks. Stuff, sick.
Yeah.
Eventuates Overland. Know it.
Well, I'm not sure if he'll ever get on the air, but apparently he's got a show already. Anyway, here's Grizzly Falls for you. One of many waterfalls we've seen on the way up, actually. Absolutely gorgeous up here. Getting misty. There you are. Look at that. Incredible. Can you see? Here. Does that help? Anyway, getting out of the mist. It's like it's raining in here. You coming up for Shug Talks? Waterfall edition?
Yep.
All right. So tell us, Shug Talks Waterfall edition, how tall is this waterfall?
What we got right here is a pretty tall waterfall.
Pretty tall, yeah, I'd give you that.
That's a solid, like, tall meters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zero tall meters or just tall meters?
Just tall.
Just tall meters. Okay.
You got about a whole lot of cubic meters of water flow through there per minute.
Yeah.
You know, and
No, you've really done your research.
You know, I did.
Yeah, I can
I
tell.
know stuff.
I can
Fat
tell.
and I know things.
Yeah. Can feel the mist from here. Just a little stop by the mighty Fraser River. Nice little stop. It's right off the freeway. Pretty easy to find. Actually, if you look up there, there's the power lines. Freeway is just up there. Yeah. See a little walking trail down there. Look at
She ran pretty good.
oh, she's fighting.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Just picking up garbage.